It's on again. It's electricity, power management, and more. Okay, so today is Thursday. That's the 14th of March 2024. Okay, so I'm here in Cape Coast and there's an electrical project going on here. And so today I'm coming with an update. Actually, it's a very sad update, but all the same, I have to go on with the video. Okay, so you see here, these are already wired projects, but there is an issue going on at this particular site. Okay, so initially the height of this pipe was it was here, but because of cable theft we have to bring it to this a bit down. Okay, so if you brought it down, you see all these cables here. They have cut all these cables, leaving some few of them here. Okay, there's actually a new one. So there's the first wiring and there's the second time of doing a wiring. Okay, I'm not saying that they have pulled out the 16mm square cable. At first, I told them I wasn't going to wire the 16mm because that's very much expensive. And if cable theft are to come around and steal this cable, you're going to be in trouble. Okay, so there's the second time wiring. All right, and let's go this way. So you see these cables here, you see it has been withdrawn. It has been stolen by cable thieves. Okay, so here as well, all the way here, all the cables are gone. All the cables are gone. Let's go to the side. This side, the cable is gone. This side as well, the cable is gone. The cable is gone. So it's left with all of this. So we have to come and continue with it. Okay. There's another one. Cable is gone. Actually, this cable is going to this direction. This pipe to there's a place here. It's going there. It's all gone. You see, this side the cable is gone. It's gone. It's gone. There's the back side. Sockets, all the cables are gone. And to the closet, okay, it's gone, and it's left with this one. Probably they were having difficulty pulling this. Okay. So why am I showing this? Okay, here as well, there's the washroom. Okay, so here too, there was some kind of wiring here, and that one too is gone. And so why am I showing this? Okay, so I'm showing this. I want to draw the attention of foremen, especially foremen, because they are the people that sometimes we have difficulty dealing with. You know, you are looking after a project for someone. You have to give them valid information. You don't go about giving them false hopes. So they will come in with their money. They will come and invest in their building, and in the end, cable thieves will come around to steal it. Actually, this is a very new site in Mori. If I don't know how many of you who know Mori, you see it's a fishing community in Abrasebu Kwamankase, but it's very close to Cape Coast. So from the actual town to the site, it's about let's say it's about 3 kilometers. So when I first started this project, I was thinking because it's far apart from the town itself, these thieves wouldn't be able to come here because who will wake up at dawn to walk from 3 kilometers to come to this side to steal stuff from here? But it's something different. All the cable here, they have stolen it, and actually we came around, I think, about a month ago. All those wires too, they have come to take everything away. And actually, the funny thing is, there's a loophole. You see, these people from from the experiences that I have with cable theft, it's all about these people. They go around, they spy sites, they go through sites looking at where people are always there, whether people are always present or not. And so when they see that there is a site that people are not they are not present there, then they strike at night. Okay, there are some places they might go there during the day, but this site, I think they are coming in the night because right across here there's a completed building here. There's a completed building here. So look at this. There's a completed building just about 200 meters radius. Okay. So and look at this. There are people building at this site. So during the day, these people are working right there. And also, when we look at this side as well, there are people working there. At this side as well, there are people working there. And so the thing is, these thieves will not come during the day because there's the front of the building. And these people will not come during the day. That is why I'm saying that they come. Obviously, it will be in the night. So daytime, these people are here to this side, to the west. People are working there. To the north, people are working there. So it's left with this side. They will come through this side. Okay. And so it's a well secured place. It's just you see, it's a well secured place. All these places are locked. But there is a small loophole. I'm going to show you the loophole. So I'm saying that before you proceed to do that, your wiring. Okay, so here they actually pulled all the cables. It's a new one that we are doing a rewiring. We are doing a rewiring. So we've done a rewiring here. We've done a rewiring here. We are doing the same thing at various places that the cables have been pulled.